Hello, happy manifestors. Welcome back to my channel. If we haven't met yet, my name is Haley and this is Birds Before Land, your new favorite place to vibe and thrive. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can stay up to date with all my new content. I also have a link in the description box below for one-on-one coaching. So if you just need a little push to help you get what you want, check that out. All right, today we are talking about the pillow technique. Besties, I love trying new techniques. I love seeing what works, how quickly it works, how good it makes me feel. I love trying new techniques. So when I tried this one, it worked so well for me that I knew I had to share it with you. So here's a little story about me. I was manifesting an SP that we hadn't talked in several months, and we didn't end on favorable circumstances, right? So we were totally no contact for months at this point. And I decided I wanted to hear from them. So I followed all these steps I'm about to tell you, and I slept with this under my pillow for one night, besties, one night. And the next day this person reached out to me and I was like, oh my God, like this is so cool. It was so quick. It was so easy. I loved it. Okay. So here's what you do. First step, you need to get relaxed. Okay. Go into every technique you try, every method that you try, you should have a nice clear head. Okay. Now is not the time to worry about the negative circumstances. Now is not the time to be thinking about all the negative stuff that is associated with your manifestation and what you don't have right now. Okay. Let it all go. Focus only on what you want when you go into this. Okay. Give yourself a minute to get it all together. Get your thoughts together so that you're really solely focused with good intentions going into this. Okay. Step one. After that, you need to be clear with your intention. Okay. So if you're trying to manifest money, don't just say, oh, I want to be rich, or I want a large sum of money to come my way. No, get clear with how much you want. I want $25,000. Okay. I want $25,000. Then get clear with when you want it. I want $25,000 in the next month. Okay. Then figure out what kind of emotion that would have. Is it relief? Is it gratitude? Is it excitement? Is it happiness? How do you feel getting what it is you want? If you're manifesting an SP, do you feel excited? Do you feel relieved to hear from them? Do you feel happy to hear from them? Figure out what you would feel like if you were to get that manifestation, okay? So, for example, if it's money, let's stick with the money thing. If it's money, I would say something like, I am so relieved that I got $25,000 this month. Okay? I'm so relieved that I got $25,000 this month. All right? You write it on your piece of paper. If it's an SP, you could say something like, I am so grateful that this person is back in my life, or that this person wrote me a message, or that this person called me. I'm so grateful that this person called me. Okay? That's a good one. I'm so grateful that this person called me tonight. Okay? Put a timestamp on it. So you're going to write it on your piece of paper. You only have to write it one time. I only wrote this one time. Okay? Then you fold it. You bring the paper to you because you always want to bring stuff to you, right? Fold it in half. Fold it in half again, always folding towards you. However many times you want to fold it. Okay? I think I folded it twice. Once this way, I turned it, and once again. But I don't really think it matters, to be honest. So once it's folded, you're going to just put it under your pillow and let it go. Forget about it. That's all you have to do. You have to set your intention. You have to be pure with what you want. You have to be in a good headspace. Put it under your pillow. Go to sleep. And it'll come in. It'll come to you. It has no choice but to come to you. You have to get to a point of accepting that what you think about, what intentions you put out are going to come back to you, right? That's why they say, oh, what goes around comes around. You're a good person in life, you get good things, right? It's all about your intentions. So go into it with a clear headspace, know exactly what it is that you want, and let it go, okay? Once you put it under your pillow, forget about it. I hope that it happens in one day like it did for me. It might take 2 days, it might take 3 days, who knows? But you should know that it is done, it is going to happen, and it is coming to you, okay? So if you try this method, when you try this method, please drop a comment below and let me know what happens when you do it. I'm very excited to hear what you have to say. All right, I'll see you soon, besties.